Hello, good evening, Sir Eddie Gonzaga. Evening here in UAE. I don't know in the US. Thank you for this wonderful gift. Bracelet. Oh, bracelet also. And this one is necklace. Thank you for your generosity. May God will bless you more so that you're gonna be a blessing to many, especially the people who is need your help. Oh, bracelet. It's bracelet. Oh, all bracelet. Thank you very much for this wonderful gift. Bracelet and also bracelet, different kinds of bracelet. Also this one is bracelet. It's bracelet, all bracelet. It's this one is 4 pieces. The other one is 3. Oh, different style. This one is different style. Oh, thank you very much. God bless you more. It's nice, the stone. I like the stone. See? Thank you very much, sir and madam, for your gift, advance gift. It's like my advance birthday gift. Thank you very much. And God bless you more.